Hey, so I'm testing out the Plantronics Voyager Focus headset, which is really designed for voice call first. So this is running wireless connection, their proprietary connections through the dongle to a USB-C port into my MacBook Pro. I have a very clicky keyboard, so I'm sitting in front of my laptop. The keyboard is maybe 1.5 foot away from the speaker. Alexa, play Bach Cello Suite. So now music is going on to my right, about 2 feet away, and I'm going to turn so the music is behind me now, and then the music is to my left. So it's a really loud coffee house background soundtrack. The speakers are like 6 feet away from me, and I'm just turning around and see how bad it is. So from where I'm standing, I can hear really, really loud noises. It's exactly like a very busy Starbucks. But the mic is now recording my voice, so let's see how well it blocked the other thing out. So that was the sound test.